Assalamu alaikum. Today we will be discussing the heavy rain that has resulted in flooding and torrential condition in the UAE. I hope you are well. Today is it raining heavily in the UAE today, which has turned into a flood and also torrential rain and snow. Now, it is either happening naturally or through technology. The clouds are collected and shorted and rain, which has now taken the form of floods and heavy snowfalls due to cold weather, which is no less than a torment. And in the same way, a Hindu temple has also been built recently in Dubai. It is built for the visit of Hindus and for their worship, but it is their own point of view to do this in Dubai, which is a Muslim country. That UAE is the best country in the world and it has to make a name for itself in its marketing and Hindu community. Perhaps this is not right in Islam. And it is also right to respect the places of worship of other religions. So many people attribute this storm and heavy rains to this temple. So what is your opinion about it? Tell me in comment section. Thanks.